So we're doing a quick video of Rocco's ball. Been bowling with it for a while, pretty dirty. This product we're going to be using, Life After Death by CTD. Sprayed off for 30 seconds. We also got our scrub pad. One thing you got to do is make sure that when you have finger inserts that you don't go over them real hard, because the rubber will grab it, tear it up. So if you don't do that, they'll last a lot longer. So we're going to spray it for 30 seconds. Spray on for and wait for 30 seconds. Sorry. Kind of just spin it around a little bit. Since we're scrubbing it, we don't have to really wait 30 seconds, but it's still good.
Yeah, so this you can put whatever you want in there.
So you can already see we got swirls of yucky already coming off. So you see that? So after we do a quick wipe, I don't have a clean white towel to use, so we got this one. It's already kind of dirty though, so bad example, but too late. So you can kind of already see, it might not show up on this very well, but you can tell like right through here it's a little bit more dirty. But that green came right back. So just with that, the ball already looks cleaner to me. Instead of having all that black residue crap on it, you can tell there's a difference of there's not black crud all over it anymore. So this will take out all the dirt and grime that's in there and bring your ball back a little bit to how it's supposed to bowl instead of what it would bowl with all the dirt and crap in there. So simple, quick and easy. You know, a minute, 2 minutes, and your ball looks almost, you know, comparably better than it did before. And just a little bit of elbow grease. So thanks, Rocco, for letting us use your ball. And once again, I'm Tyson with the Backbowl Pro Shop, and this is Rocco, one of our fellow bowlers. Can't even tell who he is with the beard. But we just finished league night, and I saw that his ball was kind of yucky, so we thought we would try it out. So let us know. Thanks.